No such now. Every day. The earliest I go to bed is 12 midnight. Every day. No weekend, no holiday. And you can sleep. You can sleep. And people are unemployed. Young people want their 2,500 a day. I must give them that 2,000. I have committed. I am committed to giving them that 2,500. I will not backtrack. I will. And so when people are looking at me and want 2,500 from me and you're sleeping, it can't work like that. So we want people who will not sleep until everybody has the barest minima, and then we can all sleep and wake up and gloat and self-congratulate. The redolent glow of self-congratulation must come when everybody is happy.